So I have a new kitchen island to share today. This one's not being used as a kitchen island, but that is what it's meant for. The family talked me into using this one as a craft table, hobby table, so maybe it might be another thing that you could use this for. Now for this kitchen island, you can make it a little bit larger for the top. You'll see that this one does have a side piece that does collapse down. So you can either have it as a shorter table if you need it for less space. And when we're ready for extra space, we can pop this table out. And now we have a much larger surface area to work with. So we do have on this side where you could put several different spices and jars of things and whatever on each of these shelves. And as you can tell, it's also on wheels. And then if we spin it around, we have more shelves over here where we can put stuff. They've already been putting books on here. And then we do have a handle where we can easily move this around. So up here at the top, we have 3 drawers that you can store a decent amount of stuff in. We have 2 cabinets, which as you can see, we can store a lot of stuff in. We got a couple shelves there. And we have 2 sliding drawers on this side, so you can put a bunch of stuff in each one of them. And then one other feature that I didn't point out yet, it's kind of hidden by these books here, but there is a power outlet here. And we do have a pretty long cord that comes out the back in order to plug it in. So you can plug in your kitchen appliances or whatever you want to use here and use them on the table easily. And when you're ready to collapse this, it's pretty easy. There's these little flaps, you just put it down. And now we have a small table again. Overall, it's a really nice island or even a craft table. I really like it. The kids definitely like it. They want to put all their craft stuff in here too. But hopefully it gives you a pretty good idea what to expect with it and if it's something that you'd like to get. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.